Long ago, Brahma was making the world. But oops! He put a tree upside down. Silly Brahma, he needed help fast. So poof! Out came Vidya, the smartest girl in the universe. She opened her book to show right way. Swish! The tree stood tall. Brahma created a wonderful world. It looked lovely and beautiful. But wait, shh, listen closely. Do you hear anything? No birds tweeting, no river roaring, just complete silence. Vidya felt sad. Her best friend the Swan saw she was sad. He had a great idea to help her. Swan flew up to Mr. Carpenter in the clouds. He asked him to make a special musical toy. Swan brought back a big Mridangam. Dham dham. Brahma loved the beat, so Vidya let him keep it. Next, a bamboo flute. Whoosh! Vishnu loved the sound, so kind Vidya gave it to him. Then a little Damru. Dug dug. Shiva loved the shake. Vidya gave that away too. Vidya shared everything because she is kind. But oh no! Now her hands were empty. The three now wanted to help. They came together to make Vidya smile. They mixed the Mridangam, the flute, and the Damru together. Vidya had a brand new instrument. It was beautiful. She called it Veena. Vidya gently touched the string. Strum! A magical golden sound flew out. The sound touched the river. Splash! It touched the birds. Tweet! The whole world woke up. It touched the people. Suddenly they could speak. They said their very first words. Brahma smiled, gave her a new name, Saraswati, the one who flows. So when you talk or sing, remember the magic that connects us. It is Veena sound all around.